So today is my first day at the fall market in Palafox in Pensacola, Florida. It's a little muggy out here. I'm a little worried that my hair might get a little frizzy. We're expecting a little bit of rain, but I think we should be good to go. So I'm not hoping to sell out. If so, that's the case, awesome. But if not, it is the beginning of the fall season here, so I'm excited. I will be doing this every Saturday until after Christmas. So this is the second time I am attending the fall market at the Palafox, so I'm really excited. So let's head on out. Okay, as you can see, my hair is frizzy and I am done with my first fall market, and it was a busy day. I sold $300 today, so that is a good thing. I was hoping for a little bit more, but that was okay. That was my first market for the fall. People are gonna know that I'm out there now, so hoping the next couple of weeks it's gonna get a lot better. But I just thought I'd hop on here so I can show you how frizzy my hair got, because it's just that kind of weather here in Florida. Thanks for joining me. So next time, bye.